Okay, so very good morning. Now here we are going to a very important and very interesting topic from civics part, judiciary. What is meant by judiciary, right? Judiciary is basically it is court. It means court, right? Okay, let's see. Second slide. You can see here this content, right? From judiciary we are it has seven contents from the judiciary. First, meaning of judiciary. Second, role of judiciary. Third, what is independent the judiciary. Then fourth, what is structure of court. What are different branches of legal system. Then does everyone has access to the court. Then PA, public interest litigation. Okay. Continue continue karcha di no thongbu de judiciary la kare lagi me judiciary legen kare me ana shingi judiciary di independent joro wa timship thanga ba rawanjing de se karche me ai kurangi what is structure of court ki the structure yoro wa sobta to lo structure code structure khate kare me ne what are different branches of legal system legal system the criminal the punishing civil law civil criminals what do you discuss che does everyone anju gi timga di misangmolo gi di chechuguro be accept di misangme gi di chechuguro be di public interest litigation the mimang gi timde and that's third. Okay, now you can see the meaning of judiciary. First, all the courts different level in the country collectively called judiciary. The second, it is independent and powerful institution and is considered essential for the democracy. Then third, Indian judiciary consists of the Supreme Court for the entire nation, High Court deal with the state, and the District Court deal with the local level. Then fourth, judiciary is a very crucial role in investigate system including executive and legislature. Then fifth, it is the essential part of Indian constitution based on key features such as separation of power. Then legislature, parliaments or lawmaking, executives, cabinet, minister, implementation, then judiciary is court investigation. Now you can see the old courts, Timkan Samalola, court collectively, loga judiciary, Vertas, Timkan, collectively, Samanyam the Tomina, Tilakalawarsima, judiciary, Hana Portas. Timsu Rawa Shurova, independent, Rawanjing in the essential Mangsu Naloli. Mangsu digam no kitchen budi chimchil hangang na chingi chimchil hangang di supreme court chwa lungba chimchil hangal yewa jena sumyo supreme court la na lung pat changma gi tak thoshu epics cha che ine niwa de la high court di deal with state issue yoro moch ine sumba the district di deal with local level yoro local level ta mashu di nyam bula che ine shiva the judiciary is very crucial hang sang gi 랭게인 가르치를 investigate lana takje che yota haril tade che executive no cabinet minister yoroba cabinet enkasha ata nama chungyo bushung joro kasha lengdo dana shingi legislature parliament be investigate che yota sudu takje che yota jebana hengange agane shingi it is the very essential part of Indian judiciary the manjuki manjuki ta manjuki kila tatim no gura kya tatim no yala no khichimbu chego special power sumiwa legislature and parliament law making legislature team suwa executive cabinet minister ma hanga yoro education minister health minister then then what else then education health then after that the security department then after that education health religions department the shiri lenga samne ki minister samalo ki executive yoruba implementation enta gorwa team karsu team su rawa di kharcha asne parliament cha judiciary the court investigate the chingi joro the to team to tangi joro what the judiciary that's it. Now here the judiciary system, because the separation of power, I've already told you, right? judiciary having a judgment on the law. It's a judgment on the law. You can see the judiciary. You can see the equal right. You can see that. And the power in the law in action, judiciary. Executive government, that you can see that is executive, that cabinet ministers. These are the cabinet minister. This is the parliament. Parliament is the power to make a law or change the law. Okay, that you can see constitution, legislature, executive, judiciary. Right? You can see this Congress and BJP, and you can see the Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, President, Vice President, Supreme Court, okay, Judiciary. That you can see also that pictures. You can see that. You can see here that judiciary system. Now here the role of the judiciary. What is the role of judiciary? Okay, then first the distribute resolution, then judiciary review, then third is upholding the law and enforcement of fundamental rights. These three are the role of the judiciary. The role of the judiciary. Role is the linking. That the linking judiciary teams linking to the distribute resolution. 간역 적전역 마디 마 시부스야 직체 judiciary review 란다 딱 제시야 권의 양자 팀디 upholding the law 팀 싱베 토네 미망기 fundamental rights요 미망기 자외기 톱단지로 어디래 육체 어디 이순들은 연조들이 first now dispute resolution. A, it is a process of resolving dispute between parties. B, it is a process of bringing solution for conflict resolution between state and state, also nation to nations. 당부의 dispute resolution, 당부의 process of resolving, notice party니 마찬부디 참고해야지 여러분. 당연하시기 bring solution 되려야 아니 탑시시키는 conflict 욕라 되려야 state 욕라 있는 농번 욕라 있는 장마 dispute resolution the dispute resolution 내게 당부디체. Then second, judiciary review. A, judiciary deals with the critical problems which existing in the nation such as water, war, natural disasters, etc. Judiciary review 딱 먼저 같이 보시면 judiciary 이게 딱 어쨌든 강의 체험은 여왕도 농변으로게 당연히 수강에 당연히 뭐 natural disaster, earthquake, the tsunami, the flood, the 줄로다 된 망고여라 어디서가 가르치고 review 가르치고 팀사워. Then third, upholding the law and enforcement of fundamental rights. 팀 기토네 미망기 자외기 톱단 송급체바. A, the judiciary play crucial role upholding the law and enforce fundamental rights. 안두기 디 그런게 judiciary 팀들 행가를 뺏고 팀 기토네 미망기 지거와 송 미망기다 벤자리고 미망기 지난게 자외기 fundamental 미망기 망식이 톱단주라 성격체에 주라 어디 계시고 팀부터는 every citizen in India approach to the court, they believe their fundamental rights have been violated. 당한주기 겨가 메시지인데 지면에 도초고레스 팀간에 가진의 수수기 톱단주라 톱단디 fundamental rights 수수 자베기 톱단디에 매 뺏들이야 이치수나 도를 당수나 이거는 팀내에 도주다. 그래서 팀간이 수술을 수술에 낭이 매네 낭이 요리슬라면 팀리에 독사 요다. That's then distribute resolution class के 통고들아. Distribute resolution 아니라 negotiate 체, dispute 체, bring a solution, compromise 체, agree 체, resolve. This distribute resolutions, right? Judiciary reviews, right? You can say review. Okay, Supreme Court and Constitution, new law. Okay, this is Constitution, right? Okay, you will try to compare and bring some new laws. Read the dinner multiple Constitution and multiple some dinner. Chica did a devig, Tim Savage Kile, judiciary review. Langang, Timia, care the ship, and Tim Savage, Miman, someone, Chikurva, all the citizens of India like they would keep in the welfare, you cannot do with it, the Tim your ship. Then now you can see here the upholding of the law and enforcement of fundamental rights. Part of the national human right. then accessibility, independence, justice, dignity, cooperation, equality, rule of law. Adinalo tsang unfolding the tin di sungni ani mimangi ta khalawi tawegi di ma sungyep chaba mimangi ta chigde dang di sungyep chaba ta di kechi muche now